Hey guys, welcome back to the Dohm Speed Shop. On this episode, we're going to take a look at a 2005 GMC 2500 with a cylinder 3 misfire. Let's check it out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and replace this ignition coil, hopefully before it downpours on me here. Got rain coming in, so let's set it real quick like. Got a code for misfire on the cylinder 3. This will be your second one on your driver's side. It's a real straightforward to swap. There's unbolts, unplugs. I'll show you. I found a U set of ignition coils I'm going to swap it out with. This is what it looks like on your truck. Sits on top of your valve cover. This has a full bracket and wiring harness for it. You don't need all this if you have a misfire or one of your coils went bad. All you gotta do is swap out the coil. So what I'm gonna do here, take out these two 10mm bolts, undo this connector, whole thing comes off. Real straightforward. So right underneath this wiring harness right here, you got the ignition coil I'm swapping out. Wiggle the spark plug boot off. Undo the connector up top here. And this would be why I got cylinder misfire. The whole plug just fell off. Please hold. Alright, so on top of the motor here, as I was just showing, the exposed wires there were for this coil pack. So since I have a used whole coil pack and wiring assembly, I'm swapping it all. Alright, so going through, popping off all these spark plug wires off the other coils. Being careful as to not ruin any of them. So I don't end up doing wires on this side. Alright, so once you get all the spark plug wires off, unplug the main harness here for this coil pack. This bank of coil packs, I should say. Get your 3 bolts for mounting brackets, and the whole thing will just come off. You got a center bolt. You got one towards the end over here. And then right next to the alternator, you got one right here. So going through here, disconnecting these mounting bolts. I stand corrected, there's actually 5 mounting studs, not 3. So if you pay attention like I'm not, you won't miss them. The whole thing just disconnects like that. Obviously, I've got that one wiring loom right there, but the whole thing will just come off. And then reinstallation of my new to me pack. Straightforward is taking it back apart. Taking it apart the first one. You know what I mean. Now it should be just as simple as putting the spark plug boots back on the coils. And of course, routing all your wires through looms again, so we don't have any damage to looms. Alright guys, that's been a quick how-to how to swap out the coil pack slash all the coil packs with bracket on a 2001, actually no, it'd be 98 through 07 GMC slash Chevy pickup truck. Applies to pretty much any LS motors. One thing you gotta watch out for is some of the coils are a round design, some are a square design. But if you buy the wrong one, but you have the whole bracket, it mounts up, it should work just fine. Don't focus on that though. It's been Nick from the Dohm Speed Shop, and we'll see you next time.